The High Court of Sierra Leone has announced that a parcel of land belonging to Mohamed Sheikhu Toure, a convicted former banker who was found guilty of misappropriating funds from the Electricity Distribution and Supply Authority (EDSA), will be sold at a public auction on Saturday, December 6, 2025. The sale is intended to recover part of the funds Toure illegally obtained from the EDSA, according to the court's notice. The property is located at 4A 4 John Street, Kisi Village, East Freetown, in the western area of Sierra Leone. The land measures approximately 0.0602 acres, equivalent to 0.07 town lots. The auction, to be conducted under the authority of the High Court General and Civil Division, will begin at 12:30 p.m. on the specific date. The notice, signed by Inspector General of Police William Fayaselu, outlines the following conditions of sale. The highest bidder will be declared purchaser and will be required to sign a bidding memorandum immediately after declaration. The purchaser must pay one-half of the purchase money on the spot, with the balance due at the Under-Sheriff's office no later than noon on the 7th day after the sale. Failure to comply with this condition gives the Under-Sheriff the right to rescind the contract of sale. The sale will be subjected to a reserve price. The notice further clarified that interested buyers should liaise directly with the office of the Under-Sheriff at the Law Courts Building, Shaka 7 Street, Freetown, and not with the Anti-Corruption Commission. Toure, who sold over 3.9 billion leones from EDSA, was convicted and fined 100 million leones, which he paid. However, to recover the full amount stolen and other penalty, the Anti-Corruption Commission obtained a court order to sell Toure's property, valued at approximately $300,000 United States dollars. The property, located at 4A John Street, Kisi, Freetown, is a 4-story building used for both residential and commercial purposes. On July 22, 2021, Toure, a former banker at Roker Commercial Bank, was sentenced by Justice Simon Aliyu to pay 100 leones fine immediately or face 10 years imprisonment. Following his conviction on 2 counts of corruption offenses, he was also ordered to pay 3.9 billion leones in restitution to EDSA by September 30, 2021. Although Toure paid the court-imposed fine, he failed to meet the restitution deadline and subsequently fled the country, evading the Commission's efforts to recover the misappropriated funds. Reporting for Sierra Leone TV, I am Valentine Benjamin Conce.